This lesson is on writing equations of perpendicular lines. You might recall that a rectangle has 4 right angles, so we can use that rectangle to show that our lines intersect at a right angle and therefore can be described as perpendicular. Now we want to look at the relationship between the slopes of perpendicular lines. So we'll find the slope by identifying 2 points on our line and counting the rise over the run. So starting with our first line, notice that to go from the first point to the second point we have to go down 5 and right 2. So the slope of the first line is -5/2. Repeating the process of the second line, we've identified 2 points on the line and count the rise over the run. This time we have to go up 2 and right 5. So the slope of our line is 2/5. Now 2 things are happening between the slopes. You'll notice that this one is negative and this one is positive. So first, the slopes must be opposites of each other. You'll also notice that the fractions themselves have the numerators and denominators switched around. We refer to fractions like this as being reciprocals. So the slopes of perpendicular lines must be opposite reciprocals of each other. We'll use that idea to help write equations of perpendicular lines. For example, let's find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to y equals 2/3 x plus 5 through the ordered pair -6, 2. You'll notice for the slope we want to be perpendicular to the given line y equals 2/3 x plus 5. This line is given in slope-intercept form or y equals mx plus b form. So they're telling us that the slope is 2/3. Now to write the equation of a perpendicular line, we need to do 2 things to the slope. We need to find the opposite. Since this one's positive, ours will be negative. And then we need to take the reciprocal of the fraction. Well, the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. So the slope of our perpendicular line will be -3/2. So using that slope and this point, we'll plug into y equals mx plus b. So the y value of our given point is 2. We want to be perpendicular, so we'll use the slope -3/2. The x value of the given point is -6 plus b. So simplifying, -3/2 times -6 is a +9. And to solve for b, we'll subtract 9 from both sides, giving us b to be -7. So the equation of the line that is perpendicular to 2/3 x plus 5 through the ordered pair -6, 2 is y equals -3/2 x minus 7. Now we can use a graphing calculator to check our work. If we graph the given line 2/3 x plus 5 and the line we came up with -3/2 x minus 7, you'll notice from the graph that they are perpendicular and that our line -3/2 x minus 7 does contain the ordered pair -6, 2. So our work checks out. TI Smart View is a product of Texas Instruments.